All right, y'all, we're starting a new section today, and this section is going to be about aggregators and iterators. This first video here is going over aggregators, which are a tool and make that allow for the combination of multiple values into a single value. So think bricks forming a wall. In the same way that we went over data structures, it's combining data elements into a collection or combining those collections into arrays. Iterators do the opposite. They separate a single bundle into multiple pieces, and you can parse functions or parse data and things like that. So there are several different types of aggregators within Make. The main three are table aggregators, text aggregators, and numeric aggregators. We will do a separate video for each of these, and then there's also an array aggregator that deals solely with arrays. Like I just said, the array aggregator is a potent tool for bundling multiple datasets into a single array, allowing you to customize the output bundle. So multiple collections become an array. If you saw the data structure video, you know that elements make a collection makes an array. So an array is essentially a collection of multiple collections. With that being said, you do have to pay attention to data structures a lot when you're dealing with arrays because you're mapping multiple different pieces of information, likely from multiple different modules. So if you haven't watched those videos, I will link them somewhere around. But each of these tools has several different applications. Right off the bat, you can use them for identification, inventory management, or grouping. I'll go through a full demo, but let's say I run a service business and I am offering different dog spa packages. Okay. And I have 5 employees. We operate on Monday through Friday, and I keep track of 5 customers. We operate Monday through Friday, and I, on a sheet, have information of how many times did this, or no. So I have all of the dates for the entire month and what services we did that day. Just using a list of the services and the dates, we can use aggregators to extract certain information. So, who is my most paying customer? What is the most selling package? And that is helpful because it's like, what package should I market more? What package is bringing in the most profit? Which customers are the most valuable to me? Which customers should I invest in because they have demonstrated a long term stream of income? So all of those different things are all possible through aggregators. And as we go through the other videos, we will delve deeper into some exact examples. But let me show you how to access those. Okay, so once you get into Make, on the bottom panel, you have these two options right next to each other, flow control and tools. Within flow control is the array aggregator, and then within tools are the other aggregators. You can see I was actually just using an iterator for this scenario, and what I was able to do was take an array, separate all of that information so that I could extract each of those individual elements and manipulate them. So within an order, I have the total cost, the shipping cost, the purchase person, and the shipping address. Well, if I use the iterator to separate that array, I can go in and get the shipping cost. Then I can compare that to every shipping cost from all the other collections within the array and identify what places are the most costly for me to ship to calculate if it's even worth offering that as a location anymore. So those are just a couple of examples off the dome. The next video in this series should be posted tomorrow if it's not already. If it is, I'll put a link somewhere for it. Thank you guys.